Hello, I'm John Russell. Let's continue our exploration of consonant sounds. In a previous video, I described the places where air is blocked in order to form the consonant sounds of American English. Let's explore one of those places today, the lips. Consonant sounds can involve both lips or the lower lip and upper teeth. Let's talk about sounds involving both lips. The sounds p, b, m are examples of sounds that require you to use both of your lips to block air. Consider these common American names. P as in Paul, B as in Bob, M as in Matt. Now, let's talk about consonant sounds that involve the bottom lip and the upper teeth. Common sounds that require you to block air with the lip and teeth are the f and v sounds. F, v. These sounds may be difficult for you, but they are well worth practicing. They are quite common. Think about common words such as far and very. Far, very. You may have noticed something curious about the consonant sounds that I discussed today. The English letters are the same as the phonetic spelling. If you have watched the videos on vowel sounds, you know that vowel sounds have many difficult spelling patterns. So, at least with respect to spelling, consonant sounds are not too bad. That's all for today. Keep up the good work.